Hi, I'm Sharon Kelly. I just wanted to take this opportunity to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about our services. In 1995, I started a company called the Associates in Emergency Medical Education. We specialize in courses for ER and critical care professionals. In recent years, due to the growing drug problem, I've begun providing lectures specifically directed towards street and prescription drugs. In fact, we've even started a second company called the Associates in Advanced Narcotics Training to handle some of that extra demand. Our combined faculty is comprised of physicians, nurses, and paramedics, as well as detectives from the U.S. and abroad, prosecutors, legislators, and addiction specialists. Everything is geared to make sure we maintain information on the most current trends in both fields. The street drugs lecture that I provide originated a little over 7 years ago when a group of ER physicians asked me to put together something to help them identify our high-risk patients. My background is a little unique in that while doing my pre-med degree, I was offered a position as a Tampa police officer. It seemed like a strange switch at the time, going from ER to being a cop, but it actually wasn't that different. I still saw the same people on Friday and Saturday nights. But when I returned to medicine full-time, I now had the ability to size up, if you will, patients that were abusers. And I was able to show the ER doctor certain signs that would even indicate exactly what drugs they were using. Physicians I've found weren't the only ones interested in this subject. Attorneys have an interest as well. In the development of a case, credibility is always a key issue, and yet very few people are going to voluntarily list usage of rock cocaine and unprescribed oxys. The ability to suspect abuse, and especially the ability to identify signs endemic to a specific drug, can be highly beneficial when dealing with defendants, plaintiffs, and witnesses, especially if those drugs have a high association with violence. The first lecture was 7 years ago, and I've now had the privilege of speaking across the U.S., Europe, Central America, and the Caribbean. Drug abuse has no borders. You can schedule an on-site course where I can specifically interact with your audience, or we can even arrange some online education. My CV is listed below, and with some video clips of the lecture and some recommendations from past groups, please feel free to go through and contact us either by email or by telephone. Thank you so much.